Thank you for tuning in to the PairRec channel. Look no further for answers to your most frequently asked questions for visiting Sausalito. Feel free to subscribe to the PairRec channel for updates on suggested itineraries, frequently asked questions, and more for visiting the San Francisco Bay Area. Let's begin. Check out the Sausalito waterfront. The waterfront offers amazing views of the bay, Alcatraz, Angel Island, Tiburon Island, San Francisco skyline, and the Bay Bridge within the horizon. The waterfront is located along Bridgeway Street and runs through Vina Del Mar Park. For seafood, Skoma's petroli sole fish is outstanding. Trident's halibut is fantastic. And Venice Deli's smoked salmon salad is amazing. For Italian, Barbacci's meatball sliders are fabulous. And Angelina's fettuccine is wonderful. For American, Barrel House's braised pork ribs are stunning. The Journey Burl Hall's rotisserie chicken is exceptional. And Napa Valley Burger's vintage cheeseburger and fries is yummy. For Indian, Sartay Indian Cafe's fish tandoori is phenomenal. For pizza, Aurora Salmon Pizza is superb. For Mexican, Copitas, ceviche, and tacos are fantastic. For breakfast, Salitos pancakes, eggs, and potatoes are wonderful. And Taste of Rome's French toast and eggs are yummy. There are 4 main parking lots in downtown Sausalito. You can find parking lot 1 by turning onto Anchor Street from Bridgeway. As you come to the end of Anchor, turn right into lot 1, or turn left onto Humboldt Street for lot 2. Continue on Humboldt Street to find lot 3, and continue driving through lot 3 to find lot 4. You can exit lot 4 by continuing onto Johnson Street. Turn left onto Johnson Street to return back to Bridgeway. Stay at the Casa Madrana Hotel and Spa, which is a pet-friendly 64-room luxury hotel featuring spectacular views of the bay, city skyline, Alcatraz, Angel, and Tiburon Islands, along with fire pits to stay warm while networking with family and friends. The Inn Above Tides is another waterfront hotel that offers 33 rooms with suites, along with continental breakfast and a wine and cheese reception hour. The Hotel Sausalito is a 14-room and 2 suites boutique hotel located just a few feet from the ferry terminal to San Francisco. Carvelo Point is a Condé Nast Reader's Choice Awards winner and has obtained a lead gold certification and prides itself as being energy efficient. Sausalito features art galleries, men's, women's, and children's clothing, gift shops, chocolate and ice cream shops, consignment stores, toy stores, and much more. Coming northbound from San Francisco over the Golden Gate Bridge by either automobile, motorcycle, bicycle, or walking, take the Alexander Avenue exit, then continue along Alexander Avenue, which will turn into 2nd Street and then into Bridgeway Street. Once on Bridgeway, you will see the waterfront and will be in downtown Sausalito. Stay tuned for part 2 of your most frequently asked questions.